Hello friends, moving on to the next chapter, which is the role of central banks in the foreign exchange rate management, where we will be introducing the concepts, and in this session we will be talking about the fixed exchange rate system for the Bcom semester 6 students. Now, fixed exchange rate system was operating under the gold standards and Bretton Woods, which is IMF gold exchange rate systems. Now let's understand initially what was gold standards. Now, gold standard were operated around 1880 to the beginning of the World War in 1940. Now, under the standards, currency was either in gold or fully convertible in gold at the central bank of the country. The mint bar of exchange is the exchange rate between the two currencies under gold standards and was determined by the gold content of the respective currencies of the two countries. Now, suppose India and England are under the gold standards. The Indian rupees of 0.001 grams of gold content and England's pound of 0.1 gram of gold, the exchange between the Indian rupees and English pound is 0.10 divided by 0.001, which is 100, which means 1 pound was equal to 100 rupees. The exchange rate is fixed but may vary up to a point called the gold point. Now, gold point is equal to the cost of shipping gold worth rupees 1 pound or 100 rupees. It can be further classified as gold export points, which is worth 100 rupees, or gold import points, which is worth 100 rupees or 1 pound, that is rupees 5 also sometimes. The shipment of gold in and out of the economy would lead to surplus and deficit of the balance of payment of that country. Now, since gold movements between the countries is limited by the size of the gold availability, the countries under the gold standards are expected to follow certain rules so that the system could be automatically adjusted to the disequilibriums in the BOP. Now, this automatic mechanism was also known as price PC flow mechanism, and under this system, the surplus country which receives a gold will have its money supply increased, resulting in an increase in the price level and decline in export and vice versa. Now, the process of price PC flow mechanism thus leads to automatic correction in the disequilibrium of the nations, BOP, under the gold standards. Thank you and keep watching upcoming sessions.